Hi, I'm Ryan Ashley.
And I'm Susan.
And today we're going to be making kinetic jewelry. So I started making this project because I get kind of fidgety and I really wanted a cute piece of jewelry I could just mess with during meetings and throughout the day.
I like that.
Yeah, it's very helpful. So you just need a few supplies, really. We're using memory wire cutter.
Very important.
Chain. What else we got here?
Oh, round nose pliers. I do have a bail shaping plier just in case, because memory wire can be a little fiddly sometimes. And you were going to make a necklace, and so I decided I'd make a bracelet.
Yeah, we have Chinese crystal here.
Yes.
So the first thing we're going to do is grab our memory wire cutter, because if you use a regular flush cutter, you will be very sad like I was when I ruined it trying to cut memory wire. So I grab my cutter, grab my memory wire, and I'm just going to make a half circle. I really don't want it to be, actually I might make it about that long.
That might be kind of cute.
Yeah, I'm gonna make a bar necklace, but a curved bar necklace. So I just cut it, get this out of the way.
And then I'm gonna make a bracelet to match it, but be a little bit different.
Okay.
So I've kind of got like a half circle here so that mine's gonna fit over my wrist like that. Nice. And that way I can fidget with it and nobody will know.
Yeah.
Because I could be hiding and fidgeting, right? I like it.
And the reason this is kinetic is because the Chinese crystal actually moves around on the wire. So you can play with it all day long.
I like it.
Yeah, cool. So next up, I'm gonna make my loops. And I'm doing mine kind of on the outside because I like the way that looks when I connect it to my chain. Just kind of slowly turn it. Memory wire is kind of tough. I'm just gonna do it on one side so I can leave the other side open for my Chinese crystal.
Smart. I almost did mine on both sides. I was watching. Yes. I'm going to do mine on the inside just because I'm doing it on my wrists and I don't want them sticking out like that. And I usually do it on the outside. So this is totally different for me. And we're using this round nose plier because we're trying to make smaller loops. But it's not hard. It's just this is tempered steel. So you really have to grip it. And just make sure you get them closed. And I will make sure I only do one.
Yeah.
So
you need that other end open.
Yes.
To put your beads on.
The beads.
Well, do you want to go ahead and get started?
Is this a race?
Yes.
Okay.
But my loop is bigger.
I know, but my piece is,
oh gosh.
But I can't see.
So I'm at the end of mine. What about you?
I just finished.
Wow.
Ta-da! Yours was longer though, so I'm just saying I'm sorry.
So I might be a little faster this time. This time. So to finish it off, I'm going to make another loop. And again, mine are on the outside. So I'm using this round nose cutter. I like that. I like that we're a little different. And there you go.
Thanks.
I'm just gonna kind of close my ends here a little bit.
Cool.
Cool. And look, they twirl around.
I love it.
I love that.
I love this.
So I'm actually going to open my chain just right in the middle and connect my links on either side of this little curved bar.
I'm going to take this bracelet apart just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
And make it just the right length. So I'm going to put a big ring on this side to connect
I like that.
the clasp to.
Yeah.
And on the other side, I'm just going to connect it.
Nice.
So I need to check my wrist here. Bring it around, just about right there, I think.
Can I burn it real quick?
I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna get this little ring right here. What do you need? This? You need something to. You know what? I only have one. I need two.
I'll just use my.
Oh, here.
That'll work. Just being a diva. All right, opening up my other chain link. I love chain like this where you can just open the links because it makes adding and changing things around super easy.
Super easy. Isn't that cute? I love it. You know, you could do it either way too. Look, you could have the chain on top or you could have the chain on bottom. I like it.
I like them both.
Really cute.
You could wear them together.
They'd be a really cute set.
Yeah.
Okay, so I made a bracelet.
And I made a necklace. And all we used were Chinese crystals because they roll around perfectly on the memory wire. We use a couple of flat nose pliers, memory wire cutters, very important, chain, and round nose pliers or a bail shaping plier.
Thanks so much for watching. If you guys would like to pick up some supplies like the ones we work with today, check out the links down below.
What other kinds of kinetic jewelry would you like to see us make?
Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring that bell. And now that you know a little bit about making kinetic jewelry, you can say,
I made this.